today's video, Best Adjustable Dumbbells for Beginners.
Hi, in this video we're going to take a close look at the best products on the market. We have spent our quality time in selecting these products so that you can have an easy time when buying. There are lots of different features that we took into account. We also analyzed many customer reviews to find the best products. If you choose from our list, you can be sure that you'll be buying a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best Adjustable Dumbbells for Beginners.
Starting off our list at number 5. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4.
Hi, this is Jamie at Snode, and I'm here to show you our newest design for an adjustable dumbbell, the AD50. One of the key features of the AD50 is that the inner plates and the bar are all connected. That means there's no movement or unnecessary sounds when you're exercising. Another advantage is the dumbbell plates. There's no notch in the plates, which means the weight is evenly distributed. Other dumbbells tend to have a notch, and that affects the weight distribution and affects your movement when you're exercising. The third feature is the dumbbell base, which is made of ductile iron and is quite heavy and sturdy, which means it doesn't come up when you lift the dumbbell. You can see that the dumbbell is still in perfect condition. There's not even a scratch on any of the plates or the bar.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best adjustable dumbbells for beginners.
Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.